Welcome to Talk English with Arun. Learn English with real stories and real motivation. In today's episode, we bring you the story of one of the richest and most powerful businessmen in the world, Mr. Mukesh Ambani. He is the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries, one of India's largest and most successful companies. But Mukesh Ambani's journey was not always easy. He started small, faced many challenges, and worked day and night to reach the top. His life is a story of vision, hard work, and the belief that dreams do come true. In this podcast, we will learn his life story in 15 inspiring chapters. We will also learn simple English and powerful life lessons. So, get ready to be inspired and to improve your English. Let's begin. Born into simplicity. Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957, in Yemen, far away from the luxury he lives in today. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, was working in a small job, and the family lived a very simple life. They later moved to India and stayed in a small one-bedroom apartment in Mumbai. Mukesh didn't grow up in a palace. He grew up in a crowded chawl, just like many other Indian families. But even from a young age, Mukesh saw his father dream big. His father's ideas and courage deeply influenced him. That environment of simplicity built strong values in Mukesh: discipline, respect, and hard work. Learning from a legend. Growing up, Mukesh was very close to his father, Dhirubhai Ambani. He didn't just learn business from books, he learned it from observing his father every single day. Dhirubhai taught him how to believe in big dreams and how to never give up. Mukesh remembers helping his father in business, going to the office, and learning how a company runs. Dhirubhai gave his children real responsibilities at a young age. This helped Mukesh understand the market, the people, and the value of money early on. His father's trust made him more confident and responsible. The power of education. Mukesh Ambani studied chemical engineering at the Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. He then went to Stanford University in the US to pursue an MBA. But he left the course halfway when his father called him back to help with Reliance's new project, building a polyester filament yarn factory. Mukesh didn't think twice. He came back to India and joined the business. That decision changed everything. He realized that real learning also comes from real-world experience, not just books. Entering the business world. Mukesh Ambani was just 24 years old when he entered the Reliance business world. His first big project was to build the Patalganga petrochemical plant. It was not easy. He had to deal with engineers, workers, machines, and deadlines. But he was fully focused. He learned every part of the business, from manufacturing to management. This hands-on experience made him a better leader. He believed that no job is small, and leadership means doing things yourself first before asking others. Building India's biggest company. Under Mukesh's leadership, Reliance grew rapidly. It became one of the biggest companies in India. He led Reliance into oil, gas, textiles, and telecommunications. He believed in doing things at world-class levels. His dream was not just to lead India but to compete with the world. He modernized operations, brought in the best technologies, and made Reliance a global name. His energy and ambition kept pushing the company to new heights. Facing challenges with courage. Mukesh Ambani's journey was not smooth. After his father's death in 2002, a major family dispute happened between Mukesh and his brother Anil Ambani. It was difficult and emotional. The company was split. Many people thought it would break him. But Mukesh stayed calm. He focused on building his own path and never spoke negatively about his brother in public. He used his energy to grow Reliance further. His calm and composed behavior during tough times is one of his greatest strengths. The birth of Jio. In 2016, Mukesh Ambani launched Jio, a telecom company that changed India forever. With free calls and cheap data, Jio broke all records. In just a few years, millions of Indians started using smartphones and the internet. Mukesh Ambani didn't just build a company, he started a digital revolution. Jio gave every Indian a chance to connect, learn, and grow. It made digital India a reality. His vision made the internet a basic need, not a luxury. Think big, act bigger. Mukesh always believed in doing big things. He doesn't just think about the present, he plans for the future. Whether it is building the world's largest refinery in Jamnagar or starting Jio platforms with billions of dollars in investments from global tech giants, his scale is always massive. He teaches us that thinking big is not enough, you must act on it. He believes in taking risks, but calculated ones. And that's what makes him a game changer. India first. Even though Mukesh Ambani is one of the richest people in the world, his heart is always with India. He has always said that India's development is his top priority. Most of his investments, projects, and ideas are focused on making India stronger. He believes that Indian talent can match anyone in the world. That belief drives his mission to build smart cities, green energy, and digital platforms, all in India. His love for the country is deep and real. Leadership with vision. Mukesh Ambani is not a loud leader. He is calm, focused, and extremely clear about his goals. He believes in building teams and giving them power. He encourages innovation and rewards loyalty. People who work with him say that he respects talent and gives young people big responsibilities. He doesn't chase media attention, he lets his work speak. That's the kind of leadership that creates long-lasting impact. A billionaire with discipline. Even though Mukesh Ambani lives in Antalya, one of the world's most expensive homes, he follows a very disciplined life. He wakes up early, eats simple food, spends time with family, and exercises regularly. He is deeply spiritual and believes in values. This balance of luxury and discipline is rare. It teaches us that success does not mean losing control, it means being even more focused and humble. Family and values. Mukesh Ambani's family means everything to him. He married Neeta Ambani in 1985, and together they built not just a business empire but a loving home. Neeta Ambani is also a strong woman who leads the Reliance Foundation. Mukesh believes in passing values to the next generation. His children are now part of the business and are being trained to lead. His focus on family shows that success starts at home. Giving back to society. Mukesh Ambani is also known for his philanthropy. Through Reliance Foundation, he supports education, healthcare, sports, and rural development. He believes that success is not just about making money but also about helping others. His foundation helped millions during the COVID-19 pandemic. He built hospitals, supported vaccine efforts, and provided food and resources. His giving nature is as strong as his business skills. The man behind the name. Behind the title and fame, Mukesh Ambani is a man of focus, passion, and resilience. He doesn't show off. He doesn't chase trends. He creates them. He proves that no matter where you start, with vision and hard work, anything is possible. He is not just a businessman, he is a symbol of modern India. And his story is a reminder that you can rise above every challenge if you stay grounded and keep moving forward. Dream big, stay humble. Mukesh Ambani's life teaches us that dreams are not just for the lucky, they are for the brave. From a small home in Mumbai to becoming one of the richest people in the world, he never stopped dreaming. But he also never forgot his roots. He stayed humble, respected his elders, and gave importance to family and values. He teaches us to dream big, work hard, stay focused, and never give up. That's the true path to success. Thank you for listening to Talk English with Arun. Today we learned not just the inspiring story of Mukesh Ambani but also learned how simple English can be used to understand great lives. Mukesh Ambani's journey proves that success is not just about money or fame, it's about vision, hard work, and values. If you want to succeed in life, learn from the greats. Be focused, be kind, keep learning, speak English with confidence, and grow every day. See you in the next episode with another inspiring story. Until then, keep smiling and keep learning.